Good morning, everybody. We are here. I'm pretty sure it's Wednesday morning. The market is not looking too good today, but we are. Glad to have you guys in here. We've got Frank first, as always. Ugandan Man, Keith Boatbum, Robin Should. That's a good one. Robin Should, Ugandan Frank, Kelly Scott, Victor, Frank, JB, Frank, Keith, Frank, JB, Frank. Dude, I love it. It's all over the place. You guys are going to make me go. Victor, once again, I like big tendies. Me too, man. I love big tendies. What do we got going on here in the market so far today? AMC sitting down about 1% right now, $27 per share. Shiba sitting at $34.38. GameStop sitting at $146. Prog sitting at $1.84. Oh my gosh, sitting at $1.84. Breaking down, I'm kind of glad I didn't add it $2 now, but sitting right there at $1.84. Hopefully it bounces. Guys, hopefully everything bounces because, look, it's just a sea of red over here. And yes, GameStop is green, but it's 0.06%. So we really need to see some action. We really need to see a bounce. We really need to see these stocks stop going down. And in all honesty, I hope that it happens after the holidays are over with. I doubt we get a bounce today and tomorrow. But I hope we get a nice run at the beginning of the year. And it sets us off right for 2022. Got more prog. Very nice. Devil's Advocate. Now I'm Devil's Advocate. Now I'm honestly nervous about whether or not I should add it at $1.50. I might just put a buy out there at $1.50 for it. I don't know if it's going to reach $1.50, but that's the next level of support that I had on there. What would that do? $1.50 from $3.50? Could that bring my average down if I just doubled too? If I doubled up at $1.50. What is that? It's a $2 difference. Right? $2.50, $3.50. Yeah. $1. It would bring my average down to $2.50, right? Bring my average down to $2.50. Real talk, Clay, since you're such a slow dip my toe in kind of guy, there's a gap at $1.08. So at that point, you can wait for that. $1.08? $1.08? Dude, if I could get in at $1.08, I would want to get in at $1 flat. I would. Frank, I'm already subscribed. Very nice. What's up? You should sub to my channel. It's just cool. Nice, man. Already subscribed. Already subscribed, man. Me too. I'm subscribed. And I subscribe to Crystal's channel, but Crystal doesn't post anything. I don't know why I'm subscribed to a channel that doesn't post anything. Tree Fitty. Chaotic Creek. Let's go, Tree Fitty. It's showing unsubbed. Dude, how do you know what it shows? Maybe subscriptions are private. Maybe he just doesn't show up in your list because his subscriptions are private. That is a possibility. I'm 99.9% sure my subscriptions are private, so you guys can't actually see who I'm subscribed to, or if I'm subscribed to you. Let's see. If I had extra money, this would be great. Mark, yeah, dude. If everybody always had unlimited amounts of money to buy the dips, it would always be great. That's why some people like the dips and some people don't like the dips, is because they've got money to go in and buy with. They've got that extra buying power. I'm not going to lie, dude. I don't have an unlimited amount of buying power, but it would be nice if you did. Every time it goes down, boom, buy, boom, buy, boom, buy, boom, buy. Just go. Got my cybersecurity on lock. That's why my Twitter handle is my actual legal name. Dangerous, dude. Dangerous, I'm telling you right now. How do you feel about Robinhood leak? Do you think it's a sign? Chaotic Creek, what was the Robinhood leak, man? Is the Robinhood leak that they're listing Shiba Inu coin, or what is the leak we got going on? Because I'm not exactly sure what leak we're talking about, or whether or not it is legitimate. Everybody is, dude. Dude is gender. Yeah, everybody's a dude, man. That's exactly right. Dude, for sure. I'm a dude. You're a dude. He's a dude. She's a dude. We're all dudes. Another day, another lost dollar. Crypto Rocketeer. Boom, baby. Losing $1. Hey, you know what day it is? Hold on. Wrong one. You know what day it is? Wednesday. Boom. Lost $1. You know what day it is tomorrow? Thursday. Boom. Lost another $1. You know what day it is Friday? Crypto's open. Boom. Lost another $1. I like it, Crypto Rocketeer. Oh, man. Speaking of unlimited buying power, can you ask the dude in your basement if the song needs credit card that's got no limit, does he intend to pay? Oh, yeah. in the song. Yeah, it needs a credit card that's got no limit. Does he intend to pay it back or accumulate loads of debt? I should ask that guy. What he intends to do with that. Because as far as I'm concerned, he doesn't intend to pay it back, man. He just wants a credit card that's got no limit. Interesting. I'm going to have to ask him next time I go down there. What's up, bro? Watching from Reimstein, Germany. Never been there, man. Is it a nice place? Ramstein, Germany. Rami, is it a good place or a bad place? Never been there. Never even heard of it. Just ask Katie. But I should ask Katie what the little leaked Robinhood information is. When you search Shiba, you get a result now when you used to not. Chaotic. What's the result, man? What's the result that you get? Stop searching for Shiba? Is that the result that Robinhood posted on there? Smash that like button, Robin should. Thank you very much. Good morning, all you glorious apes. Frodo, good morning to you. Click. Having to cancel my Ford Lightning reservation. Dealers are pulling a fast one on us, charging us 20 to 60% market adjustment above MSRP to place your order. Why? Why would they do that? Ford, stop being dumb, man. People want the car, don't charge them more. 60%? Market adjustment above MSRP? Sure, I mean, like, no. Everybody should cancel all their orders for Ford for doing that. Don't screw these people over, Ford. Do what's right. Mind if I post a link for you to watch about the Robinhood leak? Chaotic. Tag me in it on Twitter. I don't think it's going to go through on here, man. Air Force Base, something. Oh, Air Force Base there. Very nice, Rami. Rami. I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce it, but very nice. Good morning, Frodo. Good morning, Keith. Yo, bros, what it bees? What's happening out there? Smile. Ramstein is a brand. I didn't even not know that. A result called a crypto gift. Interesting. Frodo says, good morning to me like you want. Frodo! I did not even know that you had that connotation with your greeting there. Did you guys see Farm? Boom! No, I didn't see Farm this morning. What's Farm doing, man? I'm a farm boy. Harvest Farm. That's what it is. Yeah, do you guys see Farm down 21% right now? Is that what you're talking about? It's down 21% today. It was up 100% yesterday, so all that. Buy a Tesla. Ford sucks. Well, I don't know if Ford sucks, but you could buy a Tesla if you want. Maybe I do, devil's advocate. Maybe I do. Squeezing out the average buyers, just profit off a low inventory. Dude, forget it, man. Ford is made for average buyers. Okay? Ford is made for average buyers. Unless you're buying like a GT, Ford is made for average buyers. Animal Farm. Is that a movie? No, up like 150. Dude, it says it's down. It's at 150, but it says it's down. Look. This is down today. It's at 160 bucks. I mean, he's doing good over the last week. Went from 90 bucks, sitting at 164 right now. Not bad over the last week, but over the last day, was it 250? Now 160. Am I looking at the wrong thing? I don't know if I'm looking at the wrong thing or not. I don't want to look at the wrong thing. Good morning. Delivering mail in snow sucks. Hope you all remember to tip your mail carriers for Christmas. No, I did not remember to do that, Mr. Enormous. Is that like a thing? I did not remember to do that. Good morning from Tucson, Arizona. Just added another 1 million of Shiba to my future. Javier Saldana. Very nice. Nothing fishy there. Nothing fishy going on with the Robinhood app. No. Serious question. I saw that Prague on Webull News was 100% bearish. Have I been in the conspiracy theory spaces too much, or is that obviously wrong and a bullish thing to see? I did not see that it was... I've never actually seen anything that's 100% bearish. Darn, man. I don't think I can look at it on desktop. No, I don't think I can see it on desktop because there's no comments. Yeah, no comments. Darn. My goodness, man. Dude, probably having a hard month. Shoot, I'll buy. Buying a gap down to 65 cents all the way up to $6. Boom! I'd easily do that. Look at this red. My gosh. Polygon, of course, Polygon's green today. Polygon can't be stopped. Man. It was this morning pre-market. It changed. It keeps going between like 100% bearish and 75% bullish. Dude, that's a big jump. Maybe nobody's voting. Are there people? How many votes does it have? Does it say how many votes it has? It's 40% short interest on AMC Real. JJ, I have not seen anybody quoting it at 40% short interest, man. The highest I've seen is 21%, so I do not know. Isawu! Good morning, Clay, bro. Isawu, good morning to you, man. I know my Isawu, man. I know what you're about to say. Many mornings, many worlds. What's going on, Isawu? Thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate you, man. And, yeah, guys, Isawu's a many worlds type of guy. So if you want to check out many worlds, you know what to do. Getting pucked on prog? What happened? It's going down, man. It's going down in an earlier round. Just like all the stocks are going down, swinging. Everything's going down right now, man. I don't even know who could be gaining in the stock market when everything is pulling back like this. But I don't get the feeling this is not your first time zooming out on prog. It's not my first time zooming out on prog, man. That's why you get the feeling. I did, and nobody else watched the movie Animal Farm when they were in school. A great animated movie. I don't think I watched it, man. I don't think I watched it. Just became a little bro. Isawu! Boom! Alright, guys. I don't know where the thing was that said he became a little bro, but everybody in the chat right now, 90 people, thank you for letting me know, Isawu, that you grabbed that green name. I don't know why it didn't show up here. Did you do it before we went live or something? 90 people in the chat. I want to see 90 welcome Isawus right now. Listen, if you're not used to typing in the chat, just make sure to get it out there. Welcome Isawu for becoming a member, grabbing that green name, supporting the channel. Absolutely appreciate you, man. And, yes, guys, let's get it. Isawu, yes, welcome Isawu. Grabbing that green name. Now, that's what I'm talking about. Shoutout, apes, let's go. Steven, what? Shoutout. Shout out, maybe. Uber stocks? Alaska, you like Uber? Welcome, bro. Heck yes. Welcome to the bro world, Isawu. You will level up soon. Yes, leveling up just like the many world tokens level up. JB knows what he's talking about. Isawu, bro. Welcome, 30 Dons. Thank you. Justin, thank you. Welcome, Isawu. Javier Saldana. Thank you very much for welcoming Isawu. Isawu, thank you. Oh, shout out. I was like, shout out. What is this guy talking about? I didn't even know what he was talking about. Check out Bob Sharp's latest video about Robinhood if you haven't heard about the leak. Clay, bro, it's very interesting. Guys, somebody go out to Robinhood right now and see if you search Sheba, if something pops up. Wrestler, I believe whatever that fund was that used to have a majority ownership is trying to get it back around $2. We have lots of news coming through. Just got to be patient. 118.21, new patent coming. That's how you get a green name. Yeah, Dirty Dons. So if you're on iPhone, you have to copy and paste the link in the description below that says, like, join the channel, become a bro. I should actually change that to say get a green name. I wonder if I can change that. So it's like a little bit more obvious which link I'm talking about. Not. I think I can still do it from here. It's not where I wanted to go, but I think I can do it. Okay. Alright, I think it should be good now. Maybe. Animal Farm is a 1954 British-American animated drama and propaganda film commissioned by the American Central Intelligence Agency, CIA, and directed by both John Hollis and Joy Batchelor, and produced by Hollis and Batchelor, based on the 1945 novel of the same name by George Orwell. Crypto Rocketeer, thank you for such a descriptive description of what Animal House is. Appreciate that, man. Hey, man, how are you? Fadalada, I'm doing great, man. How are you? Fahadullah Khan, how are you? My TD at the AMC at 40.25 as of 12:15, and now it's at 16.25 as of 11:30. Something smells fishy. Yeah, that's a little weird there, man, because AMC sitting at $27.44 right now. I do not like when prices are messed up. Just heard about Madden. Rest in peace. Dude, Madden died? So what we got going on? I don't even know if that's true or not. Seems like we might continue bleeding to fill that gap. Devil's Advocate mentioned around a... Dude, if we do, man. If we do, I'll definitely add more. If we do. A very good movie. Crypto Racketeer likes it. I've never seen it. Mr. Keith Kemp confirmed crypto gift pops up, Clay bro. I was wondering what he said. Interesting. Crypto gift. What does crypto gift mean? Man died yesterday. Dang it! I did not know that. You guys keep up on so much news, man. It's incredible. Isawu! Thank you very much, Isawu. Here's some money to get many worlds in 2022 portfolio. Can we set up a Q&A with the developers live? Maybe. Maybe. When would you... Yeah, dude, message me on Twitter. Message me on Twitter. Figure out when you would want to do it, how long you would want it to be. I don't want it to be the full, like, hour and a half or anything like that. But I don't think it would be impossible to do something, especially once I'm on the new computer. And I can open multiple tabs and have Skype open or Zoom or whatever we would end up using. I don't think that would be impossible to do. So, Isawu, you got Twitter, man? And if I follow you on Twitter, message me. If I don't follow you, tag me on Twitter so I can follow you, and then you can message me. Edge on Twitter. Maybe we talk sometime. Brian! Yeah, dude, add me on Twitter, man. But make sure you add the right Twitter. Click the link in the description, because underscore Claybro is fake news. Underscore Claybro883 is fake news. Claybro883 is real news. So you gotta make sure you follow the right one. There's a faker out there. If every tweet says it was retweeted, that is incorrect. Man, tell us some good news about Shiba Inu coin. I'll tell you all the good news about Shiba Inu coin. Starting with number one, we are burning at record rates. We've got new mediums and blogs where we can see all the information about Shiba. We've got an AMA tonight, 9 p.m. Eastern Time. Ask me anything. Not with me, with the developers of Shiba Inu coin. We've got the Oshiverse in development. We've got Shibarium in development. We've got AAA Gaming in development. We've got, what else do we have? The only reason it's falling right now is because the overall crypto market is falling right now. It's not just Shiba Inu coin specific. we've got a very strong level of support around 3,400 points per coin. It's been holding up nicely over the last couple of days. We are sustaining prices at 3,400 points per coin, even though the search volume on Google is much less than it was even back in May. So that's actually a positive. That very few people are looking at it and searching for it, but the prices are being sustained. I don't know, dude. I think that's enough. That's like 7 or 8 reasons, right? Shibarium, Shibaquarium. Ooh, Shibaquarium. We need the Shibaquarium, man. I want a Shibaquarium. A little Shib floating around. It's all I've YouTube. It's all I've YouTube about Robinhood. Something. Yeah, Robinhood does seem to be being sneaky right now. Isa Wu, do you follow me on Twitter, man? I don't even know if you follow me on Twitter or not. Shiba's the best, even though it's down. Alaska. Yeah, Shiba is down right now, but everything except Polygon is down right now. If you buy NFTs, what platform do you think you will go with? Dirty Dons. That's actually a good question, man. I think, and I could be wrong on this, but I think that OpenSea is probably one of the most used platforms right now. I don't know how well the GameStop platform is going to be going out. JB, man. I don't even know if this counts, but for JB, since he did it, man, I'll make it count. Since JB did it, I'll make it count, man. Thank you very much for the member chat, JB. Absolutely appreciate 7 months. JB's got that Rainbow Ape. I love it. Thank you very much for being a member for 7 months and getting that unicorn out there. I don't even know if those count as actual supers, but I'll make it count. Thank you very much, JB. Solon Art. Okay, Solon Art. Crypto Trapper says Solon Art. Got to break away from following Bitcoin whenever they are down. We go Alaska. I think that's going to be the majority of cryptos doing that. Got my Rainbow Bro. Yes, got the Rainbow Bro going on there. Not in Shiba personally, but if you look at the daily candles and see when we broke sideways out of the downtrend, this looks like a healthy pullback, not a downward channel, at least to me. On Shiba, find it. Daily chart? What did he say? Okay, daily chart. Daily chart potentially broke out of that downtrend. Little pullback. And you know what? It could be, man. It could be. So I think this is what you're talking about here. We were in this downtrend. We kind of bounced out of it. Bounced out of that downtrend right here that we were following. Bounced out of that bad boy. Might just be pulling back a little bit, trying to get some space. So it is in all likelihood that that's possible, but I actually think not Bitcoin and everything peaking back here and then falling from there, but crypto in general did have a very good last couple of days after pulling back since like for the last month. So it could be following that too, but I hope that it's just not like a little bounce here and we continue to the downside. I would not want that to happen. But even if it does, like if the overall crypto market continues to pull back and Shiba's just following it, I don't think that that's necessarily bad news for Shiba to follow the overall crypto market. Dude, what the? How did this just happen? Did I just move the screen? I don't know if I did that or not. Is that normal? Oh boy. I own 0 crypto, so I have no idea. Bigger picture, what's happening. Just looks like a healthy upward movement to me after getting out of a downtrend. Yeah, I hope that's the case, man. I hope that's the case. Good morning, Clay and everyone. Are we streaming the Q&A with Shiba developers? Lord Links, do you want to, man? I don't see why I can't. I don't see why I can't. I don't want anybody to, I don't want any of these developers to be mad at me for streaming it when clearly they want people to go onto their Twitter and watch it. So I don't want anybody to have any problems with it, with me streaming it, but I don't see any like actual rule breaks for streaming it. You know what I mean? Like, I don't see how that would be breaking any rules for me to stream their Q&A. Pressure's on, Lord. It's up to you 100%. Lord, yes. Oh, man. You're better than... Yeah, Keith, I think that, you know, that's my mentality. That's what they want, is more people to see what's going on. I just wouldn't want to violate any... And I don't know Twitter's rules of, like, what you can and can't broadcast. And if you can broadcast, you know, Twitter spaces like that or anything. So... I don't want to be doing anything that I shouldn't be doing. I don't want to be doing anything I shouldn't be doing, because I tried tagging them in a couple things to see if they would respond to me, to see if I was allowed to do it, because I personally can't think of any reason why it would be a bad idea to do that. What's the difference between streaming that and streaming and earn? See, that's what I'm saying. Devil's advocate. That's what I'm saying. If their Twitter space is not monetized, like if their Twitter space doesn't have, if it's not a ticketed Twitter space or anything like that, I don't see any problem with streaming it, because I don't think that I especially if I had a link in the description or something too. Clearly, everybody's gonna know that it's a Twitter space. I'm not gonna be talking, and somebody else is gonna be talking. Just, that's my only that's my only hang up on wanting to do it. But yeah, I don't see any difference between doing that in an earnings call or doing that and I don't know, Jerome Powell talking or some other thing that's being streamed. I just don't know. I've never streamed a Twitter call before. For your morning here, we going in the evening. Have a nice day, Clay, and that's all. Go up now. GJ Rivers, man, let's go up. That is all. That is all. We just want to go up right now. Any Robinhood listing news? So, Vadaga, there has been some talk in the chat today about if you go search for Sheba on Robinhood, it has a return now, and it says crypto gift. So I'm not exactly sure what that means. But it does seem to be changing over there. So I'm not exactly sure, man. Hex is up 10%. Yes. All right, we got to see if Hex is up 10% today. Davis loves Hex, man. And if Hex is up 10% when everything else is declining 10%, Hex is up 10% today, man. 10.93%, sitting at 31 cents per coin with a $54 billion market cap. Very nice. Guys, I think I just heard Chip Bro running around in the soffit. Hex up 10% today. 10.91%, sitting at 31.6 cents. Davis is making so much money, dude. It ain't even funny. I want to make Davis type money someday. For real. I want to make Davis type money someday. Davis, man. Davis, when can I get some pulse chain? When can I get some pulse chain, Davis? I gotta know. Hey, Clay, when AMC was at $2, hedgies unleveraged themselves to overly short AMC, having no intentions of buying back shares because shorts thought AMC was going to go bankrupt. So if the shorts won't cover at $2, I think you're going to say, why would they cover at $20? I don't see a follow-up to that. So if they won't cover it at $2, why would they ever cover it at $28? Most likely they wouldn't do that willingly, okay? If that's your thought process behind it. They would have to be margin called at that point in order to cover their shares. When they're margin called. Yeah. Dan P's got it. Dan P's got it, man. Oh, Warren. So, yeah, Warren will cover at $2. When will they cover? Listen. Unless somebody, wisens up And here's the thought process behind it. You are right, man. If they didn't cover it too, which they probably did cover some of their shares at 2, but if they didn't cover it too, why would they ever cover it 20? Well, they wouldn't if they expect the price to go down. Now, if they kind of admit defeat and say, well, shoot, dude, we're sitting at $20 per share right now. There's no way it goes lower. There's no way it goes lower than $20 per share. Then they might take that loss. But if they believe that AMC is worth $6 and we're just inflating the price by going out and buying it and holding it, they're likely not going to cover. They're likely not. And at that point, they would have to be forced to cover by a margin call. My follow is when they would... Yeah. Okay, I didn't see the first time for some reason. I missed that. But yeah, I think unless, of course, something changes and they change their mind or their train of thought to AMC is not going to fall much more in price from where it's at right now, that would cause them to cover, or they would be forced to cover. I don't know what price that would be at, though. Those would be the two reasons behind it, but I don't know what price you would reach those reasons at. Did something happen today? Not to say I don't think a red day can be natural, but that NASDAQ waterfall was intense this morning. I don't think anything. Like I read through a bunch of articles, and can't think of anything that would have caused the NASDAQ or tech stocks to fall off. I didn't see any big news about Facebook or Apple or Google or anything like that. Actually, the only article I saw this morning was that Apple was paying its top software engineers and top programmers $180,000 bonus so that they don't switch over and go work for Meta. It's the only article that I saw about any tech stocks was that Apple was offering huge bonuses, $180,000 to keep their top-level programmers. Who's your favorite football team, and what are your thoughts on pro teams taking Sheba? Timothy, my favorite football team would have to be the Cleveland Browns, just because that's who I have to root for. And sure, man, if they want to take Sheba, they should take Sheba. I want everybody to take Sheba. Huge fan of your channel. Keep it up. I love the AMC videos. Holding 3,000 shares. Robert E. Eid. Thank you very much. Absolutely appreciate that. 3,000 shares of AMC. I love it, dude. Oh, my goodness. And appreciate the positive feedback, man. Positive feedback is better than negative feedback. It is. In my opinion, this play has nothing to do with what's smart, and it's literally as simple as Wall Street playing chicken with retail, and they won't cover until they 100% have to. They'll die on that sword. Yeah, and if they do die on that sword, then it will be a forced margin call. That's the only reason they cover. I think it was Nini Waka, like 6 months ago, that we talked about playing chicken. And you're exactly right, man. You're exactly right. We're staring them down, they're staring us down, and it's literally just a game of chicken. But I forget. I had to have made a video on that because she talked about it in a live stream. But I forget what video that would have been. But that's exactly right. You recognize me? Matthew Smith undercover. No, dude, that picture's really small, but I like the wall behind that picture. So, looks good. Hey, bro, what's your least favorite football team, and what makes you hate the Saints? Least favorite football team? Yeah, I don't know what makes me hate the Saints, too, but I guess they would just have to be my least favorite football team. Dude, if you think I barely have a favorite football team, how would I have a least favorite football team? I guess I would have to say the Steelers in that situation because the Steelers suck, right? Even though they beat the Browns every time they play them, I guess I would be obligated as a fake news Browns fan to say that I hate the Steelers. I don't know if it goes that way or not. Let's see here. Miss Chatty Cathy still waiting for her stickers. I'm putting the YouTube one on my Amazon ban and cover many miles for you. Nice! Keith. She's still waiting on him? I wonder if everybody got their... I wonder if the two keychains, or the couple keychains that I sent out arrived, because that lady at the post office was like, oh, these will never get there. And I was like, they literally got there the last time I sent a keychain out, so why wouldn't they get there? Okay. Makes me wonder. Green Bay Chicks. Ew! How do you guys have teams that you hate? Like, how do you literally have your least favorite team? Who is this new guy, Matthew? Dude's hairline is extremely tragic. Post-squeeze, I'm starting a GoFundMe for him to get fixed. I'm here for you, Matt. Matt, I'm sorry you got a weird hairline, dude. It happens. It happens to the best of us. Actually, it does happen to the best of us. So, if you got a tragic hairline, man, don't worry. Don't worry. I got your back, dude. Thoughts on Crow? Yeah, I like Crow, man. I just don't know. Crow's sitting at like, what, 58 cents I saw this morning. I don't know exactly where it's at right now, but the last time I looked at it, it was 58 cents per coin. Clearly, it's got potential because it pulled back with the crypto pullback, but it was testing that dollar mark. So it's got the potential to double from where it's at right now, but I don't know crypto in general, how far we're going to pull back before we kind of bottom out. Not Matthew Perry is dope, so is Keenan Grace. No, I actually really like. I've never had a conversation or anything, or saw Keenan Grace in here or anything like that. But Matthew Perry, man, very nice guy. I gotta say, very early on when I was doing live streams, Matthew Perry came in here and was hanging out for a little while, and I really appreciated that, man. I did. The fact that I had like nobody in here and he stopped by and was showing some love. I appreciated that, and I didn't forget that. And my mom saw that, and she's like, "Who's Matthew Perry?" And then she was actually sending me some of his videos for a while. I didn't know if she subscribes to my channel, but she certainly subscribed to his channel and sent me his videos. So shout out to you, Mom, for loving Matthew Perry more than you love your son. You recognize me? Matthew Smith is back. Never, man. Matthew Smith is back. Nice picture there. It's a good background, actually. Pink flowers. Yeah, our mail is slow as poop, even though we cannot, even though we in Canton are not far from you. Dude, I'm going to tell you right now, if, I don't understand why she wouldn't get that within a day. I might have to send some more, Keith, I might have to send some more stickers, dude. Seriously. Might have to send some more stickers if she didn't get hers, because she should have got hers. Bro, how are you? A quick question. I have 180 million Shiba Inu coins. How easy will it be to transfer it to Robinhood when Shiba Inu gets listed on there? Mr. Get'em. 2 questions. Number 1, where do you hold your Shiba Inu coin? Because if you hold it on Webull, you're not going to be able to transfer it to Robinhood. You would have to sell it and then buy it on Robinhood. Number 2 is not really a question for you, but will Shiba Inu coin have a wallet on Robinhood? If the answer to that is no, it's going to be impossible to transfer it to Robinhood. But if the answer to that is yes, then I have to ask you where you hold your Shiba Inu coin, because if you don't hold it in a wallet or on like a crypto exchange, crypto-specific exchange, you won't be able to transfer it. No offense, but Clay has a 6 head, not a 4 head. Dude, only from the side, man. Only from the side. Like, it's, dude, I know you guys know Vegeta, right? Would you ever make fun of Vegeta's hairline? No. The answer is you would not, because he'd probably punch you in the face. But it's only from the side, man. From the front, it's normal still. It's normal. You know, it's cool. Like, equal proportions. It's all good. Was it Robinhood working on crypto? Yeah, Lord Link. So they are working on crypto wallets, but I don't know I don't know what currencies they're going to allow to be held in wallets. I don't know if it's just specific to a few of them, or if it's literally going to be everything that they list, or what the deal is. Ah, Rick, you're so afraid of falling off the wagon. Never be afraid of doing anything, man. Admittedly, I did unsub to Matthew Perry, but I only did because he kept talking about golf, and I'm not a golfer. Very interesting. Yeah, I'm not a golfer either. Dude, I've golfed like 4 times in my life. Maybe 5. Definitely not good. When do you expect Shiba to be listed on Robinhood? If they don't list it in 2022, I'm going to tell you right now they're not going to list it. Thoughts on changing the lava lamp? Definitely not going to happen, man. Definitely not going to happen. I need the lava lamp in here. Still waiting for a Vegeta super sticker. Me too, man. I need a Vegeta super sticker. Anybody? YouTube, we need Vegeta super stickers, please. What's up, bro peeps? Freddy! What's going on? But the lines are there. Wreckage. The lines are there. I don't know what lines we're talking about. What do you think of that free stock Weibo gives out? Oh, Alaska. So it all depends, man. So you get a $4 or $5 stock just for signing up and opening a brokerage account. Then you get at least an $8 stock for making a deposit. And if you do it while there's promotions going on, they do give you probably, if you get 5 of them, they probably give you like $30 in stocks for signing up. But they're all different. They're all different. I know GNW is one that a lot of people get. OPK or something is one that a lot of people get just for opening that brokerage account and not even, depositing anything. You get that. But they've always got promotions going on too, where you can get free shares of Apple, partial shares of Tesla, Facebook. They got a lot of free stocks that you can get. Hey! Do you use some weed by any chance? Do you use some weed by any chance? No, I've never used weed in my life, if that's what you were talking about. Phone is on 3%. Why is AMC not ripping? Chris! Wow! Nothing's going to be ripping this week, man. Listen, I don't expect anything to be bouncing really today or tomorrow, especially with the holidays. It's kind of going to be a boring week, man, just to kind of hang out in here. Hopefully stay positive and just enjoy the day between the holidays. Because until we get a bunch of traders coming back and a bunch of investors coming back pouring money into the markets, I doubt we see a ton of action. A DM tracking info. I can look more in-depth into tracking more than what you can see. Mr. Enormous, I can almost guarantee, though, if I sent it to anywhere in Ohio, it should have been there in a day, right? I mean, why would it take more than a day to go to the same state? Probably got lost or something. Read my Matthew Perry question because I'm 100% sure I saw you on that thumbnail and it was before I followed you. Yeah, you probably did, but let me first say Alaska 907. Thank you very much for grabbing that green name and becoming a little bro. Guys, 2 of you, Chris and Devil's Advocate, said welcome to Alaska. There's 194 of you people in here. Please say welcome to Alaska. Do not be shy. Even if you're afraid to type stuff in the chat, please welcome everybody that always gets a green name. Make that your thing, okay? If you do not say anything else in the chat, make it your thing to welcome all the green names and just show that love to the people who show the love to the channel. So Alaska, thank you very much for grabbing that green name, becoming a little bro. And you guys need to step up your game because there's 6 of you that said welcome, and there's 194 of you in here. Matthew Perry question. Did he super chat you $100? I thought I saw a video of him and you were the thumbnail and it was giving AMC. Yeah. So I don't really remember how much it was because it was a few different ones, but he came in here. And then I think this girl named Ebony was in here, and there was another Matthew that I think was in here. Oil Tipped or AMC Vigilante. His name's Matthew. And then Big Dog Stocks may have been in here at that time. And somebody sent me a $10. It was the very first time that I had super chats enabled or whatever. And somebody sent me $10, and that was the biggest super chat I ever got. And then He sent me like 15, okay? And then somebody sent me like 16. And then they sent like a 20 or something. And it was just like, it was blowing my mind. They were going back and forth. And he may have ended up sending $100 total or something. But they were going back and forth with like $20 super chats. And it was a lot of fun, man. And I don't know. I really appreciated it because dude's got over 100,000 subscribers. And I probably had, I don't know, maybe 6 or 7, and he was in here hanging out and having some fun. I thought it was really cool. Let's see. Isa Woo! Thank you for the super chat. Isa Woo says, our developers are emailing you right now. Look for who, man? Many worlds, many, thanks, bro. Absolutely. Isa Woo. I'll check it out, man, and then we can go from there. Email's good, too. claybro883@gmail.com is the email. I'll make sure, because I got a lot of emails to go through, actually, so I will try to go through those emails between the break and get all that stuff organized. Welcome Alaska, but not backers. Yes, welcome Alaska. Thank you guys for saying welcome to Alaska. Appreciate all of you guys. Welcome to Alaska. Please feel free to partake in our salmon fishing. Yes, please feel free to do that. Welcome Alaska. Calgary is colder. I don't know, Records, if you're from Calgary, I don't know if you guys have a thing going on between who's colder. Sounds like I feel like I'm at a welcoming committee, but not to Alaska. But welcome. Oh, yes, but welcome to Alaska. Got you. You are the welcoming committee, man. And we all have to welcome Alaska for being in the chat right now. Thank you, man. Appreciate all of you guys. And then Grandpa Barney showed. And then, no, actually, so there was this dude, Jamal. There was this dude, Jamal. And he loves sending just the most ridiculous stuff in super chats, dude. Like the most ridiculous sexual jokes or whatever, man. And it was crazy. And it was fun because, I mean, the dude would send it in like a $20 super chat and it would be the most just absurd joke. And I think he must have been laughing hard at me reading this stuff because it was crazy. He was pretty crazy too. And then he sent a couple $50 super stickers to like see me fall out of my chair and stuff, but yeah, and then Grandpa Barney showed up. Real talk, that makes me like him a lot more. You can really tell who it doesn't let their fame or lack of get the better of them. Super humble, cool guy. Too bad you're not the same. Darn it, man. Oh no. And I did see Matthew Perry on TikTok before. I did see him on TikTok. When I was scrolling through, like, you know, trying to beat up these fudders for spreading day trader crap about AMC and Sheba. But I did read it this morning, okay? This might be why the NASDAQ tanked a little bit. TikTok. You guys can confirm this if you want, because I only read the headline. TikTok surpassed Google as the, like, I guess, top browser or top used domain or something like that. Somebody go confirm that really quick, because that is insane if TikTok dethroned Google. I need to know if that's true. Jamal had put, Mr. Enormous remembers Jamal. Yes. Oh my gosh. I've got the free stock in Weeble, 12 GNW and 6 OPK, and they've both been green for 3 days now. Alaska. Very nice, man. Very nice. 12 GNW and 6 OPK. Very good, man. You started your portfolio off on the right foot. Welcome to the many families and the many worlds, Freddie. Now that's what I'm talking about. Freddie, you got some many worlds, man? Pancake swap. Very nice. Freddie's going to get some many worlds. Heck yeah. Thoughts on AMC Nft on AMC coming out in 2 days. Yeah. So I don't think it's going to be like any... honestly, I don't think it's going to be any different than, you know, just signing up for their rewards program. I don't think it's going to do anything to the stock. And I also don't think that it's going to... I don't think it's going to be something that you're going to be able to, like, resell for a ton of money. Because I don't think it's going to be rare or anything like that. Frank! Thank you very much for the super chat. Frank says, I apologize, Alaska 907, for my neglect to welcome. It's, of course, no excuse. But I was engaged in crypto charting. Just a free sub to my channel. whatever GIST is. Gift? A gift, maybe. A gift. Yes, I gift a free sub to my channel. Very nice, Frank. Yes, if you guys want to sub to Frank's channel, Frank does a lot of options talk over on his channel. Make sure to check that out. And Alaska. Hopefully that apology is accepted, man, because, you know, Frank was just over there crypto charting, but he's back now, and he says welcome to you. Let's see. When start the event? Alafor TV. Karen Ener Dutch? No, I don't speak Dutch, man. Sorry about that. When start the event? Are you talking about the Ask Me Anything that's tonight at 9 p.m. Eastern Time? Or are you talking about something else? FYI, Jamal Jackson is Miss Harris. Prove me wrong. I cannot. Dude, the fact that you remember Miss Harris. Oh my gosh. Dude, there was a... Yeah, that reminds me. Spider Claude. I actually forgot about Miss Harris. There was a Miss Harris that would come in here, and it would just be like non-stop joke spam after joke spam after joke spam. And I promise you, she had to have been getting these jokes off Google. Like, it was non-stop different jokes. And then it would always end with, like, smash that subscribe button and lick the like button, or just weird stuff like that. And she said she was a grandma, man. She'd be like, the grandkids are over here. I gotta stay up on all my jokes because I gotta keep the grandkids laughing. And I'm like, what? Dutch? No, I don't speak Dutch. In Germany time. What time? What is that compared to UK time? Dude, I don't know. What is 9 p.m. Eastern? Somebody that lives in Europe. Ugandan and Toad. Help Alafor out. 9 p.m. Eastern time. It is currently 12:23 Eastern time. So it's going to happen in 8 hours and 37 minutes. Alafor, the Ask Me Anything is going to happen in 8 hours and 37 minutes. Okay? 8 hours and 37 minutes from now. So whatever time that is for you, in 8 hours and 37 minutes, the Ask Me Anything is. Are we selling? Eddie. I didn't sell anything yet. Your dreams online. Wow, that sounds like Hot Boys and Girls webcam chat. Wasn't the Super Chat Challenge Matt Purvis? Mr. Enormous. Yeah, so it could have been because there were two Matt Perrys in here. But I don't know if it was just those two or if Big Dog Stocks was in it too. Because I know Matt Perry and Matt Perry were both in here. But Big Dog Stocks, I think, was in here as well. I formally declared dibs on being Clay's neighbor in the multiverse. Dude, he declares dibs right now. But hey, I was just gonna say we could just get like an apartment building, but then I forgot we were doing a trailer park. So I guess we could just do a big trailer park where everybody goes. I'm gonna have to do that. Listen. If I go buy up a trailer park in some metaverse right now, will you guys buy some trailers off of me in there? And then you guys can buy the trailer like next to mine or something, and we can legitimately do this. You think that AMA will boost the price at all today, Keith? I don't think that just the AMA is going to boost the price. And I honestly don't know if they're going to tell us anything that we don't already know. So I think best case scenario for the AMA is that we have like somebody ask a question that they are willing and able to answer, and that sheds some light on some sort of a catalyst, like how close they actually are to releasing Shibarium, or how close they actually are to anything Oshi or Metaverse related. You know, stuff like that might cause a lot of buzz and a lot of attention. But if we want the price to rise, we need to create some excitement. So if nothing is new or nothing is exciting, then the answer would be no. If we do get something new or exciting, then yes, I think we could see the price bounce because of it. 1824 in Italy. Andrea Franco. You're in Italy. 1824 in Italy. 624 right now. You are 6 hours ahead of me. Very nice, Andrea. if you buy a trailer park in the multiverse and get everyone in and then make me exclusively not allowed in, I will find you and I will loot your online NFT safe. Don't do it, man. I will definitely invite you to the trailer park. Gladino Simonino, what's going on, Simon? How you doing today, man? Over 40% short interest. I don't. Somebody else said that. El Campo, where are you seeing that from? Is Ortex estimating 40% short interest, or where are you seeing that? Because somebody else mentioned that, and I haven't seen that yet. Where can I look the stream then from the AMA? So Alifor, do you have a Twitter? The Twitter is going to have the Ask Me Anything. If you want to just directly jump into the Twitter space, I am I would say 95% sure that I am going to be streaming the Ask Me Anything as well tonight. I don't think it should cause any problems to stream it, especially for people that don't have Twitter. Give them a place that they're going to be able to watch it. So if you don't want to watch it or listen to it, I should say, directly on Twitter, you can listen to it. I'm 95% sure that I'll be streaming it, and you can listen to it here. It's just on TD Burgers. Okay. AMC Trapper, thank you. Because I was wondering where that was coming from. A lot of people are saying the 40%, and I didn't know where it was coming from. If I had $15,000 last month to buy land in Sandbox, I'd be so rich today. Dude. Yeah, I don't know. Look, here's the thing about buying land in the metaverse that makes me a little bit skeptical, okay? You buy land on the actual Earth, and nobody's creating new Earth, right? You've got that land, and there is no more. So the metaverse, however, can just endlessly expand if they wanted to, and there can be multiple metaverses. So there's unlimited land. Now, I get it that if one of these metaverses takes off and becomes very popular, then you're going to have something. But you also got to think, man. Okay, let's say there's 100,000 plots of land available in the metaverse today, and their metaverse really becomes popular. Well, they could just add another 100,000 plots of land tomorrow. If the developers wanted to, they can develop new land. So that part makes me a little skeptical. Clearly, the more developed areas where businesses are in there trying to advertise and things like that would be worth more. But it's weird that you can just create more land. So, or create an entirely new metaverse. True. But they could have multiple planets, and each one has its own social status. Exactly. And I wasn't even, that was part of my thinking, and I don't know about social status, but that was my part of thinking when I said they could just create another 100,000 plots of land. I don't know if it would just be way over there, if it would be, on the moon, or where it would be, but it's, is this tier 1? You got in early, you're in the higher social status or the higher tier of land development, and then you got to go down to tier 2 if you want to buy during the second development stages or things like that. There's a lot left to be discovered about the metaverse and land and clothes. But I read an article the other day. This girl, I think she was 26, okay? And she's somewhere in Asia. I think she lives in Asia. Asia or Canada? Now I forget where she lives. She lives in Asia. I think she lives in Canada, but the metaverse is an Asian platform. I think that's what it is. Dude, she's making 6 figures a year just selling clothes in the metaverse for your avatars. So think about taking your Bitmoji and putting different clothes on it. That's all she does in the metaverse. She gets these super cheap clothes, pairs together outfits, and then sells the outfit. And people buy them. She's making 6 figures a year. Over $100,000 a year, pairing together outfits in the metaverse and then selling these outfits. So guys, please Stay creative. Don't ever think that you can't do something. If this girl's selling outfits for avatars in the metaverse, making over $100,000 a year, yeah, don't be afraid to try something. Freddie! Thank you for the super chat, Freddie. Freddie says, TikTok has surpassed tech giant Google as the most popular website of the year. Freddie. Oh, man, dude. So the headline that I read this morning is true. TikTok surpassed Google as the most popular website of the year. How is that even possible, man? How is that even possible? I understand that people use TikTok, like, on the app, but how are they going out there and using it more than Google? Google's like everybody's homepage. Oh my gosh. What is this world coming to that TikTok is winning? And look, Freddie! 175 of you better. Welcome Freddie to the chat right now. Freddie, man, thank you very much for grabbing that green name, becoming a little bro. And look at this welcome right here. Yes, yes, yes. I heard about that. Alaska. It is crazy, man. I didn't read the article. I read the headline this morning, but I'm like, oh my gosh. In the trenches without getting hurt. AMC Chapter says, in the trenches without getting hurt something. Since it's virtual, though, and it's not, to get an STD or stabbed, I'd rather hang in the slums, to be honest. The trenches without getting hurt. Oh, my gosh. Yeah, dude, you know, go hang out where you want to hang out then. Have some fun. I don't know about social status, bro, but it's going to be like the Hunger Games. Everyone on Uranus will be in Batman suits and talk like a wrestler, and then we'll have Platinum Planet. Like those gold people in Guardians of the Galaxy, right? Everyone there is all bougie and stuck up and rich. Shoot, man. And meanwhile, I'm hanging out at the Bro Trailer Park with all you guys, having fun every single day of my life, not worrying about all these bougie people. Bougie, man. Bougie. What a term. Bougie. Welcome, Freddie. Yes, thank you guys very much for saying welcome, Freddie. Listen, it's not over yet. I know 180 of you did not say welcome to Freddie. So, Freddie, thank you very much, man. Hopefully, if you guys don't think it's too late to say welcome to Freddie there. All right, let's see. Let's take this YouTube off for a second so we can see what Shiba Inu coin's doing up here. Traveling down a little bit right now, 34.21. AMC sitting down 1.5% at 27.33. Prague sitting at $1.83. GameStop sitting at $150 per share right now. Nasdaq is down 0.5% on the day. Farmy sitting at 22.41. It was at 24 cents this morning. Now sitting at 22.41. Pullback. MMAT down 2% to $2.50. CEI 89 cents once more. Fund sitting at $2.69. Tesla 1,075. Dogecoin 17 cents per coin. Prague sitting there 8% down at $1.83 per share. AMC Trapper, did you send me a message on Twitter? If not, there is a Trapper bot out there somewhere. Oh my gosh, dude. Dude, if people are botting up Trapper, that's messed up. Metaverse equals Ready Player One. I never watched Ready Player One. I should watch that now that there's so much Metaverse talk going on. Welcome. Good afternoon, Clay Bros. Kevin, good afternoon to you, man. Hey, the Asian dude I work with told me he got more Prague. Now he has over 20,000. He told me if I'm right and that article comes true and it hits $500 long term, he's giving me 10% finder's fee. Boom, dude. I love this Asian dude that you work with, man. Nice guy. Nice guy. Very nice guy. You should, dude. Tell him to hang out in the chat with us. I know you guys can't tell anybody that you work with to hang out in the chat unless you're Davo and Banana Man, because you don't want anybody else at work to know that you're in the chat all day long. So it's all right. You don't have to tell the people you work with to hang out with us in the chat too, unless you really trust them, man. Unless they're like cool. See, Davo's boss. We don't want Davo and Banana Man's boss to be hanging out in here. Dwight? No, man. I think his name was Dwight. I forget what his name was. I think so. Real Trapper, but fake Clay. Yeah, okay, good. It was a real Trapper, fake Clay, bro. Drake, David, thank you very much for the super chat, Drake. Bro, we need a Super Bowl commercial saying buy AMC. Go, could do a GoFundMe, or Adam Eric can get one. Let's go. You know what? I would like to see Adam Aaron fund a Super Bowl commercial with the $30 or $50 million that he made selling his AMC shares. Adam, if you're listening right now, it's the least you could do, man. You walked away with like $50 million selling your AMC, so it's the least you could do, man. It's the least you could do. AMC literally sitting on $1.6 billion in cash, thanks to the apes buying up AMC. So, do Drake the second, David, a favor here and use that 1.6 billion to buy a Super Bowl commercial. Claybro, Twitter's Claybro883, no underscores in his name. Yes, you guys, if you want to follow me on Twitter, listen, I'm not super active on Twitter or anything like that, but if you do want to follow me on Twitter, just click the link in the description, because I always want to do one of those things with these fake news accounts, because all they do is retweet my stuff. But you guys know the part in The Grinch where he's like, something, and then he gets an echo, and he's like, you're an idiot. He's like, I'm an idiot. And then his echo is like, you're an idiot. I want to do that. I want to tweet out, like, I'm an idiot, and see if these idiots retweet, I'm an idiot, or something, like my echo. Or if they would legitimately say, you're an idiot. Who remembers ASL? Alaska! Nobody remembers it. Devil's Advocate doesn't remember that. He's too young. He's way too young. GGPI thought. I don't actually know what's going on with GGPI. Part 1. Rocket legitimately wants to be my future boss. I'm kind of screwed on that one, but I don't think he'd mind. To be honest, at my review, he says you spent 1,000% or 1,000 company hours in Clay's chat. Part 2, those are rookie numbers. Either get those views up or your raise will suffer. Facts, man. Facts. And actually, if he comes in here and you're not in here, you're gonna get written up for that. So he's gonna have to make sure that you spend time in here. He's gonna have to make sure you spend time in here, man. I say go for it. Let's see. My kids love that movie, dude. That movie is funny, right? I like that movie around Christmas. And Elf. I like watching Elf. No, dude, it's funny though, because that legitimately crosses my mind every time I see one of these scams just retweeting or whatever everything I say, and I just want to go, I'm an idiot, and then wonder if they retweet it and say, you're an idiot. And rebound and Shib. So Barton, I don't know if we're going. It's like what was before, man. Just a couple weeks ago. I don't know if we're gonna see a rebound in Shib until we see a rebound in the crypto market. Crypto in general is down right now, and I don't know what's causing it. I don't know if it's Corona. I don't know if it's inflation. I don't know if people are just nervous or pulling out of their assets right now, or what the deal is. But yeah, when the overall crypto market does bounce, I believe that Sheba is going to bounce right along with them. I'm winning huge on TKAT today. Very nice, Kevin. People are still deaf, Clay. I know what ASL is if you insist. Yeah, oh, gotcha, Devil's Advocate. Yeah, that's my bad, man. That's my bad. American Sign Language, that's what, I wasn't thinking straight, man. I wasn't thinking straight. Oh my gosh. Other day, I left a comment on your video and got a reply from fake Clay within 3 minutes. Dude, I wish these people would just be cool about it. Like, okay, you know, if you're going to be a cool bot or a cool fake scammer about it, like, I don't know, just engage with the comments on there. Don't just tell them to message you on WhatsApp or something weird. Like, why? What do you get out of that, man? Just have some fun. I think this whole month, AMC and other stocks are red because people that are in the red are selling for tax write-offs. Maybe beginning of January start. And that, yeah, Mr. Simon, that is a possibility. So if that's what they're doing, crypto, they can buy back in. But if that's what they're doing with their stocks, they at least have to wait 31 days to get back into that same stock. Otherwise, they're not allowed to write those stocks off. So if that's what it is, you know, shoot, man, we'll get a couple of these write-offs going, and then, you know, beginning of next year, we'll start to take off again. So I would be happy if that's what's causing the decline. 5 cents in February. Michael. Sheba's going to 5 cents in February? Dude, if Sheba goes to 5 cents in February, I'm giving Michael whatever Michael wants. Let's see. Samantha agrees with Mr. Simon. Yeah, I would love to see that. I would love to see that be what's playing out right now. It's like getting an old AOL CDs in the mail for free dial-up internet. Yeah, dude. I swear, we had dial-up internet, like, through when I graduated high school. It was bad. Hi, Clay, how you doing? DLP, I'm doing good. How are you doing? What is expected price of Shiba in ending of January 2022? Aditya. I don't know. I don't know what it's expected to end. I don't even actually know if there is an expected end to January 2022. I would love to see us back up in the upper four zeros, testing that new zero again. But I don't know if we're going to get there if the crypto market doesn't turn. Stuff that deep. Respectfully, Mr. Simon, I don't think that's the case. My thought has been that AMC's situation is largely new investors, and if you can sell at a loss now, you're probably new enough to not know tax. Maybe. But I guess the counter argument to that, or what I would say to the opposite of that, is that I don't think the majority of AMC holders are like apes or necessarily brand new. I think there's a lot of people that were playing and still could be playing the momentum and swing trades on AMC because of the hype and volatility that it had throughout the year. So I don't know if the majority of the 4 million people or however many are holding AMC now would be new. I still think there's a lot of guys in the game. Like what's the Gutierrez kid's name? They trades AMC. Ricky, right? Ricky. I think guys like him, man, they might be out there day trading and trying to play on the momentum. Can I get your Insta? Yeah, it's in the description below. Claybro883. Don't follow on fake news accounts. Claybro883, man. Just click the link in the description. Can I just be no? Don't ban. Listen, there's a lot of comments there, but you don't need to be banned. Why did farming token go up over 200% yesterday, Gary? I do not know. I did not read any news on farmland or whatever it is. Harvest farm. No. But back down a little bit today, sitting at $170 per coin. It's got a market cap of $100 million, and really over the last week did very nicely, sitting at $96, shooting all the way up to $250, and it's very cyclical though, this coin. So it's got a lot of volatility, jumping up to $250 to $300 per coin, and then falling back off. So these levels between like $50 and $90 could be good buys. Because going back over a year now, very cyclical in this coin. In a lot of volume. You got a $200 and some million that were traded in this coin in the last 24 hours. So it's not like you wouldn't be able to get in and get back out or anything like that. So if you guys are interested in trading, you might jump on this coin, hold it for a month, double your money, get back out, jump in, wait 6 months, jump in, double your money, get back out. I don't know anything at all about this coin, but it's just very weird, the cyclical nature of its peaks and valleys. Let's see. Yo, Samantha, what's up? Welcome to the chat. Haven't seen you in a bit. Hope the holidays went well. Absolutely. What's the best salsa in a jar? What is this? What's the best salsa in a jar if you don't have time to make it? That's actually a good question, Outdoor Smile. I don't know. What is the best salsa if you guys are going to go buy salsa from the store? It's a good question. Samantha, holidays were great. Great, the holiday weight gain, so not so lovely. Dude, everybody. Holiday weight gain, is that even a thing? I don't even know if it is. Yeah, I think you're 100% right with hitting those strides. Well, Gary, maybe, man. I just don't know enough about this coin to say anything that it would be causing those moves like that, Hit the like button for our clay, bro. Isa Woo, thank you. It depends on what you're eating. Sam Pineda. Depends on what you're eating. Taco salad. Taco salad. What else are you gonna put sauce on? Tacos? Taco salad? Taco soup? Tacos. Give me back my name right now, Sam. Give him back his name. Be nice. Play with your brother there. Everyone talking about a 1 cent. Let's talk about when are we going to hit a 1/10 of a cent? I can guarantee you we hit 1/10 of a cent before we hit 1 cent. Peanut butter salsa? No, Robin, I've never tried peanut butter salsa, man. Back to the hot sauce. Always. We always come back to the hot sauce, Isawu. Shib going to continue down today or rips? So, Wreckage. I don't know. I think it's probably going to continue down today if we don't have some sort of a catalyst that drives the crypto market higher. Now, we might have a catalyst that drives Shib higher tonight at 9 p.m. Eastern time. If something comes out in this Ask Me Anything, then we could see a very nice bounce. So you got to keep that in mind, that Shiba's got some tricks up its sleeve, let's say, tonight at 9 p.m. Eastern time. Now, I don't know if they're going to be breaking any news during this Ask Me Anything, but if somebody asks some good questions and they've got some good answers, we could see Shiba bounce because of that. If somebody asks some questions and they give us some dumb answers, you could see Shiba fall because of that. So there will be a lot of eyes on this Ask Me Anything, and we gotta see how it plays out. One last question. Click. What do you think of ACH? Gary, good question, man. Is ACH a token? Because I don't know anything about ACH. Alchemy Pay? Yeah, man. I don't know too much about Alchemy Pay. Still relatively low market cap, but not one of these tiny coins. Almost on 40,000 different watch lists. I mean, at least it's proven itself. A little dangerous though. Really jumping up here. Do you know what caused this? Dang, man. 15 cents? 15 cents from 1/10 of a cent? It's a pretty big move, dude. I don't know what would have caused that, but that's a pretty big move there. You guys can barely see that. So we're looking at ACH, Alchemy Pay right here. Back in August, out of nowhere, it jumps from about 1/10 of a cent to 15 cents. And I don't know what would have caused that. I haven't been keeping up on. It's impossible to keep up on all the coins, but this is definitely a bigger coin, man. $200 million market cap, sitting on $50 million in volume per 24 hours. It's not a tiny coin. We get 3.75 billion Alchemy coins circulating. Max supply, 10 billion. I don't know what the reasoning behind any of that would be, though. Okay, going back to work. Bye, Clay and everyone. Lord Links, enjoy it. If you can hang out with us in the afternoon, man, come back and hang out with us in the afternoon. Thank you very much for being in here and having a good time. Why you always have 2-minute answers for me, a wreckage? I don't know. 2-minute answers, good or bad? I don't know. First listing on Coinbase did pretty sure. Oh, is that what caused? You're saying that's what caused the jump? God, dude, that's a huge jump, bro. Do you even know how to read a chart, Robert? No, man, no. Sometimes the charts look like they're in Japanese, dude. It's very difficult. So Ameritrade Specialist has confirmed AMC short interest of 40.25%. Yeah, Pringleton. That's what AMC Trapper said that it was listed on TD Ameritrade this morning, and I think El Campo was talking about that, and somebody before him mentioned that. I haven't seen it yet, but if short interest on AMC is actually at 40%, that is going to be huge, man. That is going to be huge. It's going to be double the highest we've ever seen it at. So I'm going to get really excited if it's actually at 40%. Outdoor Smart, my girlfriend usually buys the nice salsa, but it's from Walmart, so it's like, is it really nice? I don't know though, man. I'm not a huge salsa guy. Robert, do you even know how to take a photo of the right way? No, maybe not, but it's all right, guys. It's all right. Would you say a triple bottom on AMC? Justin, possibly, but I just, it's like a technical pattern isn't going to mean much if the overall stock market just continues to get ripped. So if we come down here, we came down, bounced around this $25 level, kind of had some support in here, but touched 20. We might come back down once more. If we fall through 25, you're looking at that $20 number again. But if the overall stock market, like look at this. This is just a bloodbath over here. If the overall stock market continues to just get hammered, then AMC is not going to have much of a chance to sustain these levels. I mean, it's going to be very difficult. So there's nothing that I can say that this is a guaranteed stop at 25 or a guaranteed stop at 20. You know, if the overall stock market does start to rebound, then yeah, I'm going to be fairly confident that 25, 20 would definitely hold up as levels of support. But this is what I don't like, man. Everything's purple and red. You got a couple greens speckled in there. But very difficult to determine what's going to happen if the overall market continues to pull back. And we just got a lot of sideways action going on today. Prague sitting sideways all day long. AMC sitting sideways for the most part. Sheba sitting sideways for the most part. GameStop kind of trending up a little bit. GameStop's not doing too bad down here. I don't know if you can see it behind me, but GameStop trending up a little bit, up 3% on the day. So, I don't know. NASDAQ sitting sideways, down 0.5% all day so far today. Let's see. Click. Try to say my last name. You never attempt it. Well, Samantha, I think you can tell why I never attempt it. You just got a bunch of letters in your last name. Let's see here. Abazadeh. Samantha Abazadeh. She tells me to try to attempt. Okay, here's the thing though. Samantha Abazadeh. Okay, if I am saying your last name incorrectly, Abazadeh. Okay, Samantha Abazadeh. God, I know I'm hacking that up. Here's the thing, Samantha Abazadeh. We are going to pit the UK phonetical spelling. Pretty good attempt. Okay, and she already played along with the game. Now, with her trying to help me say her last name, we are going to compare this to how everybody in the United Kingdom / Europe tries to help me say their last name. So, Samantha, how do I do on this one? I think it's going to be Abazadeh. Samantha Abazadeh. How did I do on your last name? Miss Abazadeh. Oh, Mrs. Abazadeh. I went from Brady to Abazadeh. Samantha Abazadeh. Dude, they're laying up. Samantha Abazadeh. Samantha Abazadeh. Did I get it? Abazadeh. If I got it, this is just proof that she can help me better than anybody in the UK can help me say words. Samantha Abazadeh. I had to have gotten that. I know I did. I felt it. I felt that that was right. I felt that that was correct, you know? I did. Sound as clear as a bell. Speaking of bells, hit the reminder bell for Clay Bro. Boom! Isa, woo, thank you. Like abracadabra. Like abracadabra. Okay. I can't even figure out how to help you with it. It's just not as fancy as you say it. Like abracadabra. Okay. Abazada. Abazada. Abracadabra. Abazada. 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 Abracadabra. Abazada. 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 That's it. Abracadabra. Abazada. Boom! Hey, you guys want to see a magic trick? I'm going to show you guys a magic trick right now. Are you ready for this? I'm going to make myself disappear. Abazada. How'd he do that? How'd he do that? Nobody knows, man. I'm a magician. I'm a magician. Abazada. I know for a fact I'm losing subscribers on this one, but Samantha Abazada, thank you very much for having a good morning with us. That ended on a good note. I like it, Samantha. Thank you very much. Forget the abracadabra. We get the Abazada in here now. Oh my gosh. Oh, guys, please don't click this. Please don't click the unsubscribe button for what I just did there. I promise I'm having fun. I promise I'm having fun. Oh my gosh. I'm dying. Good, Samantha. I'm glad because I'm having fun with that one. Check my example, Clay. What did Crypto Rocketeer say? I'm sure it was absolutely horrible. ZH is special. Abazadeh. Abazadeh. See? Exactly. Crypto Rocketeer. What am I supposed to do with that, man? Abazadeh. You just confusing me even more, Crypto Rocketeer. Where's Nick F? I don't know where Nick F is. I don't know if Nick F has to... I think he might have a vacation going on right now in between the holidays, so not exactly sure if he's out of his normal routine or what the deal is, but he's not in here. I was out of Crypto Rocketeer. I got it right for you, but it was wrong for her. Oh, I guess I cannot ask a question. This chat is everywhere. Osidious, ask a question, but you got 2 minutes left because we're leaving at 1. You got 2 minutes. Hurry up. Osidious, ask. Have you heard about Cliff? Yes. Clifford Inu. I've heard about Cliff. I've also heard about Clifford moving to Birdwell Island because the Howards had to leave their home because little Emily's love made Clifford grow so big that they just couldn't fit in the house anymore. Sounds like how long you've been working on the railroad. Sing it, dude. I've been working on the railroad. Abazada. Didn't hit right. I don't know. Crypto Island, a 3-hour tour. We got it, man. We got it. I think a pronunciation video each day. A Tony P would appreciate it. Tony P would, dude, if Tony P's gonna appreciate it, let's do it, man. I'm back again. Back again. The future Claybro is president of the USA. Let's go! Future Claybro is president. I like it, man. Thoughts on staking? Yeah, if you don't plan on trading, you might as well stake. Clifford Inu, new project, hyperinflationary, buys back, $1 million burn New Year's. $1 million burn? 10,000 holders, 2 weeks old, going for $1 billion market cap. Ricky, you think he's going to make it? Be honest with me, man. Be honest. Do you think he's going to make it? Osidious, dude, I gave you 2 minutes to ask your question and you didn't even ask it. It's 1 o'clock now, man. It's 1 o'clock. Samantha, is it Iranian? How do you guys even know? Dang. You're saying a bit different. Your rendition was definitely unique to mine. I gotta go before I get myself in trouble. Alright, guys. It's 1 o'clock. Thank you guys so much for just having a good time and ending this stream on a good one. Samantha, absolutely appreciate it. I don't know. Should we end it like Abazada? Abracadabra, abazada. Boom! Disappeared. AMC Trapper says, peace out to the diamond-handed apes. JB, man, shout out to you. Assidious wants to know your thoughts on Saitama. Oh, that's what I figured it was. JB. Assidious, man. Saitama, very large outstanding supply. 100 times of what Shiba Inu coins got out there. So never expected to reach the same prices that Shiba Inu coins got. Unique or Unknown Scorpion, Alaska. Thanks so much for grabbing the green name. Cassie, thanks for the laughs. Until the next time, absolutely, Cassie. Thanks for being in here this morning. Justin, Victor, Crypto Rocketeer, Emilio, Wreckage, Devil's Advocate, Gary, Emilio, William, P83, 1983, Dojalan to Mars, my man. Freddie, great stream as always, bro. Thank you very much. Enjoy your day. Keith, Kemp, man. Later, bro. Frodo, Frank, Victor, Keith, Gary, Crypto Rocketeer. It was raining clay. Boom. You were correct on that one, Crypto Rocketeer. Rob Ricky, Nick's response. Thank you very much for hanging out. Devil's Advocate. See you later. Emilio, come on. All right, guys. You know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.